sis, 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 just look in that description box and go get it if you got the coins to purchase. Wigs and Wonderlust back with another review, y'all, on this fake scalp method gorgeous wig. So if you're interested in this human hair drip, sis, keep watching. Hey y'all, I'm back with another review, and this is a review that I'm actually excited about because it's part of this trend that I've been seeing going on YT. I actually reviewed a wig with this trend, okay? The wig that I'm bringing you today is a wig by Royalme. I'll be sure to put a link to their website in the description box to where you can purchase this unit. The interesting thing about this wig today is just like a wig I reviewed from a different company a few weeks back. It claims to come with that fake scalp method, which means that you don't need a stocking cap, you don't need to pluck, you don't need to do any of those things. That other wig, I really liked how easy and versatile that it was. This one I'm excited about too because it gives that same feel, or it says it does, and it's short. For some of you that you said you wanted shorter wigs, okay? Look at the wig, okay? This is straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to it, okay? The wig that Royalme was so nice to send me comes with 2 combs here on the side. Y'all, that's that fake scalp method. It says that I don't have to pluck anything. I don't have to do anything. And y'all, that hairline looks good straight out of pack. It also comes with a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it has that little bra strap that I talk about that makes the wig fit so comfortably on, okay? So what I want to do before I play around with this unit, but y'all, I can tell she's going to be cute. For those of you that like shorter hair, this one is for you. What I want to do before I cut the lace, let's put her on and see if in fact you don't need a stocking cap and how it looks straight out of the pack. Because you see, I got nothing on my little bald head. Okay, let us see. Y'all, look at that hairline. Y'all, that looks good. Y'all, look at that. Oh, y'all. And look at this length. Y'all, I can tell that this wig is going to be a winner. She fits extremely comfortably on my head. I'll put in the description box all of the details on which wig I got. But y'all, look at that hairline. Y'all, this looks like it's growing out of my dang on scalp. Sis, let me get my Yeti on this one. For the summer, y'all, this is going to be bad. Oh, yeah. All right, so what I'm going to do is cut off the lace, play around with her, but y'all, I can tell I'm going to like her straight like this. Such a comfortable length. All right, let's cut off this lace, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Y'all can't tell me this wig ain't coming out of my scalp, y'all. This wig has so much body, and it looks, y'all, look at that. I didn't put powder. It said you didn't need powder. It said you didn't need, you know, a cap. Y'all, something that I can respect about this company is this company is listening to what we are saying, okay? You don't have to put all that powder because they've already bleached the knots, and that lace was tinted so it matches my scalp. So I'm not having to cake on a whole bunch of powder. Y'all, this gives me, I'm CEO of a company tease, okay? Y'all, I definitely recommend if you have the coinage to go and purchase this wig, Y'all, this is it. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Y'all. Sis! This is it, okay? Definitely a good credit wig. It does not have to even be said. Y'all, this wig sitting at 800. Okay? This, and it fits so comfortably on my head. This is the type of wig to where every piece of furniture in your house is from Pottery Barn. Okay? You get accessories from Pier 1. Not Ross. Pier 1. That is where you buy your vases. Not vases, vase. That's where you get your vases. Okay? Y'all, look at this. Speaking of, you drink Voss water. You don't drink, you know, Nestle. Y'all, you drink water. Your water come in a glass bottle in this. Look at that body. Let me show y'all the back. I love this length because I'm normally, sorry, just my flat iron that fell. I normally have like really long hair, and this length I think is perfect for work. It is perfect for the summer. This is just gorgeous. This is going to be a wig that I take to me next month when I go to Spain, okay? This is an easy, like, and look how light it is. Hand clap for Royalme, okay? Had to look down to make sure I was in it because I feel royal, okay? Tell me I ain't a royal. What that other prince? Are both of them married now? So, in this wig, I might break it up. Y'all, this one is cute. This one is cute. I definitely recommend that you go purchase this wig. Like I said, in the description box, I'll put some links. For those of you that have been wanting human hair drip, I'm going to try to incorporate some human hair into my channel for you guys. Even though I do love my synthetic. Y'all, this wig is it. This wig is gorgeous. Once again, shaded hairline up close. I don't even have on a wig cap. That's my head under there. Y'all, look at that. Y'all, that is gorgeous, okay? Like I say, maybe you ain't into wigs. Maybe your Auntie Patty is, and it is probably your Auntie Patty that makes the good potato salad, okay? She gets her potatoes from Whole Foods when she makes it. Okay, look at my hair. I can't stop. Maybe it ain't your Auntie Patty. Maybe it's your Uncle Paul. And, you know, Uncle Paul want to live his best life. Maybe he used to changing carburetors in cars, and now he done with that, okay? He want to put on this wig and sell Avon. Let Uncle Paul do that, y'all. Until next time, which will be extremely soon, you guys. Bye.